friends, thank you for stopping back by Mimi's Mixed Bag. If this is your first video, I want to welcome you to my channel. Today I'm sharing my first spring craft of 2021. Now my plan this week was to make over some thrifted items, but I soon realized that March is marching on and I need to get busy on a few spring things first. I'm making a two-sided banner. It's an original idea and just about all the supplies can be found at the Dollar Tree or a dollar store or any craft department. The base of my project is going to be these favor boxes that are found at the Dollar Tree in the baby shower section. They come in two different colors, I think a pink and a blue, and I just love this robin egg blue color, and I love the little gingham design. You're gonna need some alphabet stickers and then some Easter grass. What you put in the little favor boxes is just unlimited. I put some suggestions out here just to give you some ideas of what all you could use. Dollar Tree has these really cute little styrofoam eggs on a stick, some like foam stickers. These are from Walmart. They sell all kinds of flowers and carrots and rabbits. You could stick this on a little popsicle stick and it would work just fine. Some of the small graphics of the window cling. You could decoupage these window clings on some cardstock and put that on a popsicle stick, or even just stuff all the little boxes with some faux flowers. It's just really unlimited what you could stick in the box. My package of favor boxes come with 7. I'm only going to need 6. So I'm going to clear the counter out. I'm going to fold up these little boxes and then I'll be back to move on. I want to show you that after I opened up the package of favor boxes, there was no instructions how to fold the bottom. But I took it and kind of folded it like that to give myself the rectangle. Fold down the sides, fold down the bigger side, and then this edge that's got the tab, you're just going to push it down in there gently so that it catches, and then it makes the perfect bottom. All right, I'm ready to move on now, and the next 3 steps are so simple you don't necessarily have to see me do it. In the package of the favor boxes comes 7 ribbons. I'm sure originally they're intended to like tie the little favor boxes together. I thought just to give each side a little different look, I'm going to tie the ribbon into little bows. I may trim off the tails a little bit just so it doesn't show from the other side, but I'm going to glue all 6 bows onto the 6 boxes. Then I'm going to take some alphabet letters and spell the word spring on one side, and then I'm going to flip the boxes over and spell the word Easter. I can use different stickers, but I love this contrast of the pink and the blue. And then take a hole punch and punch a hole on each side of the box. All right, now that all my holes are punched, and before I string up my boxes with the twine, I'm going to take 1/4 of a piece of a paper towel and fold it up and fill in that empty space of my boxes. I only have a little handful of the green grass, and so I need to make my grass stretch a little bit. But if you have a whole package of grass, you really won't have to do that. But this is just one way to either conserve your grass or you don't have to use near as much. Okay, let me catch you up where I'm at now. I started playing around with some of the plastic Easter grass, and that stuff is horrible to work with, so I ended up finding some green paper shreds. That works so much better. You can kind of ball it up and contain it a little more, and I just like the look of it better and it not being shiny. So I got all my little boxes stuffed with grass. I've got some of my little picks here prepped. You know, these Dollar Tree little eggs, I just broke off the little stick, and then I had quite a bit of little sticks left over, so that's what I ended up sticking the stickers on. And then some of the Dollar Tree flowers, I just pulled it off the stem, and then I'll just stick it down in some of the boxes. So I'm just going to fill up the little boxes and I'll hang up my banner and show you what it looks like. All right, here is my favor box banner. I'm going to move it a little closer so you can see, but on the back side, but this side spells spring and the back side spells Easter, and just put some stickers in that one with the eggs. The center 4 have flowers, and then this one kind of matches the end one with the little stickers and egg and carrot. So when I turn it around for Easter, I can rearrange it, add some more eggs, or you know, absolutely limitless to what you could put in these little boxes. But I think it's so cute and looking forward to enjoying this for the next few months. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.